Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and this is part two to customize your workspace. I just made this icon up here. When nothing's checked, it's still there. When you check it, it'll be right here. But the advantage of this, when you select all these, it's still there. Now, in newer versions, I think 7 and up, that is already there. I'm pretty sure. But I started thinking about it. It would really be neat to add the color, so you could change the color very easily too. So just go to your pen tool, outline color, hold down your control and your alt button. Now this is real important. You see the plus sign, you need to let go of your mouse button before you let go of the two keys, the control and the alt key. And then you can drag this thing up here, and now you got your color. So not only can you select these and click on that and go to make it black, you can make them whatever size thickness of line you want. Just real easily, always on top. Now these are both right here, but you've got to double click and then go through, change them both or change one or the other. So this is a little bit more convenient. It's kind of a lesson that you can customize your workspace a little bit better. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.